What's up, guys? So here's another video. Today's gonna be another micro build from Lego Star Wars set 4484, and it's gonna be one of my most recent mini building sets. So this is an older model. Not really sure exactly when this one came out. So we're gonna usually go step by step. Usually how we usually go about doing this. And here's the book, and there's gonna be roughly about, let's see. So the X-Wing has about 10 steps, and the TIE Fighter has about 8. So we're going to go ahead and knock out the X-Wing first. This is an older set, so they do build the Legos a little bit differently from what I can assume. Here we go. Just put that in perspective so you can see it. And watch out for pieces flying off. So this one actually looks a little bit beat up, some of the Lego pieces. So we're going to be sure to be careful as we're putting the pieces together, just because I don't want any Legos to actually break during this process. So next we have the TIE Fighter Advance. This build is actually not that complicated. I thought it was going to be a little bit, kind of annoying to build, but it wasn't too bad. It did come with extra parts just because if you buy the other 4 sets, I guess each one comes with one separate piece, and I guess it makes one thing all together. I'm not really sure, to be honest. But overall, it's pretty cool. So this here, you got both the TIE Fighter and the X-Wing. And, side-by-side comparison, the scale-wise, it's actually not too bad. I do like how it came out. Like I said before, I don't like too much how the X-Wing looks. And I really don't like the playability. So if you're talking about playability-wise, the TIE Fighter definitely comes in place for the playability aspect. Now for this one, it's really not too bad just because the wings kept falling off. And it was kind of annoying doing that. But, overall, still pretty clean. They're pretty good display pieces, not really to do anything else above that. So here we got the manual, really basic stuff. Right there you got step 1 through 3, then 4 to 7, 8 to 9, then you got 10, and then you have the TIE Fighter. Really not too bad. It's really easy build, really easy to maneuver and all that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think between the X-Wing and TIE Fighter. Which one was your favorite? Which one do you like? Me personally, I like the TIE Fighter. And I'll see you guys in my next video.